how you can create your copywriting portfolio in the copywriting. So I'm going to give you the 2 strategies in order to create a copywriting portfolio. So there are so many copywriters who are beginner right now, and they have this particular problem that they are a new copywriter, and whenever they ask somebody to give the work to them, they will straight away ask them that where is your portfolio, let me know, let me show your previous work, so that I will get to understand whether I should give you the work or not. So how you can make your portfolio, because if you are a beginner and you don't have any portfolio right now, so if nobody is giving you the work, how can you create your portfolio? So that is the kind of a question you have in your mind. So I will give you 2 strategies. First, you have to DM people in the Instagram. So in Instagram, you have 20 DMs every single day. You have to message your target audience. So let's take an example. If I work for the digital marketing agency, so hashtag digital marketing or hashtag digital marketing agency is a place where I can go in the Instagram and I can DM the people that look, I am a copywriter and I write your Facebook ad, Instagram ad, and I will write your landing pages also, and I will work for you for free because right now I'm a new copywriter. And if you want to test me, you can give me the work and I will write for you, and I will show it to you how I can work as a copywriter. So I will give that particular work to you. So you can DM in the Instagram and you will get to know about that, whether people are liking your job or not. So once let's take an example. If you work for the hashtag, if you work for digital Deepak, so you work for them, you write their Facebook, or maybe you write their DM copy. So now you have that particular work, you straight away go and save into the Google Keep, and you can, whenever any future client wants you to know whether you worked previously or not, whether you have a particular portfolio or not, you can straight away copy that and you can paste to your new client and tell them that I work for the digital Deepak. So that's how you can build your portfolio. Second thing, you can create an account in the Fiverr.com. There are so many people who create the account for $5 only, and just because they are able to create the account in the Fiverr.com for free, and they are able to sell their services for $5. I always tell people that you have to go to the Fiverr.com and you have to learn and understand how to sell your services in the Fiverr.com, because once you do that, now we have more and more chance to get the client. So let's take an example. If you just only get 2 or 3 clients in the month only, on the starting month only, so now you have 3 portfolios. So just because now you have 3 portfolio, you can share that particular portfolio to the new client of yours. So that's how you can do that. Portfolio is basically your previous work, you can say. It's not a like stock market kind of thing that you have to maintain the portfolio, because they have to maintain their investment work. So that is a different story. But right now the story is that how you can create your portfolio as a new cooperator by DM people in the Instagram. Every single day you have to DM. You should have the patience to DM all the people every single day. And second thing, create an account in the Fiverr.com and learn how to become a Fiverr seller over there. Learn about copywriting also, and learn about Fiverr seller also, and learn how to write DMs in the Instagram also. That's how you can get the good positive response. Hope this video will add value in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, make sure to save to other people also who are copywriter like you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.